So in recent years, we've been given quite a lot of sub-modalities within the main liquid crystal umbrella. And I just want to share some of these with you just to give you a taste of what's available. And in future videos, obviously, I'll be going into much more depth about some of these, or hopefully all of them over time. So there's the 33 star child crystals that are less well known crystals that the Earth has created for the next 500 years or so of humanity's evolution. And really, they're here for helping us activate latent gifts, for creating the new world that awaits creation on the other side of this current global transition we're transversing in what is a bit of a wild ride called 2020. So there's also crystal skull remedies that get added into liquid crystals to ensure that we get the lessons and the healing at the level of thoughts as well as feelings, because the skull houses our consciousness, right? Then there's also 11 amazing perfected body system keys for physical healing within any of the body's 11 main systems that covers the whole body, skeletal system, nervous system, immune system, circulatory system, reproductive system. There's 11 of them. Another submodality offers access to the oceans of the Earth via the Great Teachers of the Ocean series of remedies. We don't have the stock sets for them yet as of today, but they're coming. We've been trained. We're just waiting for the stock sets now. So these remedies are amazing. They allow us to decode the song of the waves and to create and heal in alignment with the tides, and to receive from the Earth's 7 oceans, the sands and the coral from around the world, and of course to learn from the great beings that have long been revered for their love and their power and their wisdom in the world of emotion. Water is emotion, so both above and below the waves of the great seas. And, these are the whales, the dolphins, the sharks, and there are 14 of these. There's the seal and the turtle and the octopus, and there's 14 of them. Yeah, just incredible teachers available, via remedies. And then there's also the liquid trees, which give us access to unmatched healing, available via the 46 kings and queens of the plant kingdom of the earth. And they specialize in the arena of human relationship. Because, trees and humans share the flame of love. Trees serve humanity in this regard because of the 3 flames that we carry in our hearts as human beings. One of those flames is the flame of love. So I found that these remedies help us shift and heal things that, gosh, I've been working on my whole life, and I've finally been able to achieve some major shifts and healing and insights that haven't been available any other way. And I've tried a lot of stuff. These are truly extraordinary and really potent. To give you a sense of the relationships that they help us with, it's the sibling, which is the foundation for friendship, which is the foundation for partner. And then from that, there are mother and father remedies and trees that specialize, in those roles of love. And above, mother and father is grandfather and grandmother, which are like the greatest founts of wisdom. Yeah, they're really beautiful. And I hope I've been able to convey a little bit of just how truly amazing they are. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to send me any special requests if there's a topic that you'd like me to cover in future.